Friends, good morning. Today we will discuss histogram. Histogram is a graphical representation of a frequency distribution. A histogram is an approximate representation of the distribution of numerical data. Friends, histogram was first introduced by Carl Pearson. So the use of histogram is to understand the distribution pictorially. So whether there is a symmetry in the distribution or there is a skewness in the distribution, whether the height of the distribution is more or the flatness is there or pickedness is there, to understand the symmetry or asymmetry in the distribution, we can go for histogram. So how to draw a histogram? For drawing histogram, the first step is to bin the range of values. So bin the range of values means, see here in this example, so 18 to 20. So there are 18 to 30 is the age in years of the males and the number of males are given. So first total number of males are divided into these type of classes or the class intervals. So these classes or class intervals are called as bin. So the first step is to bin the range of values. That is, divide the entire range of values into a series of intervals and then count how many values fall into each interval. The bins are usually specified as consecutive, non-overlapping intervals of a variable. And one more thing which is very important is that the bins must be adjacent and are often equal size. So let us take an example to illustrate how to draw the histogram. So to draw the histogram is a graphical representation. Therefore, there exists x-axis and y-axis. Take the age in years on x-axis and number of males on y-axis, and draw the rectangle. The base on x-axis, the base of the rectangle is age in years and the height of the rectangle is the number of males. So for 18 to 20, draw a rectangle whose height is 5. For 20 to 22, draw a rectangle whose height is 18. So draw such rectangles, we will get a histogram. See this figure. So this is the graph of histogram. So age in years is taken on x-axis, number of males are taken on y-axis. So the base is 18 to 20 and the height is 5. The base is 20 to 25, the height is 18. So likewise, we can draw all the rectangles. So there should not be gap between these two rectangles. So that should be taken into account. And the use of histogram is to draw the value of mode. How to draw the value of mode? See, this is the highest rectangle whose height is maximum. So take this upper face. So this point should be connected to this point and this point should be connected to this point. So the intersection of these two, draw a vertical line on x-axis. The corresponding point on the x-axis is nothing but the value of mode. So to draw the value of mode, we need histogram. That is the use of histogram. So we will stop here and continue with OU curves in the next session. Till then, goodbye.